Hey, how's it going, you guys? Rockeye here, back at it again with another video. And today I got something special for this channel, and that is that I got a Canon 90D camera and a mic for the channel. So yeah, guys, I am not going to use my phone anymore. All the videos that I will put out will be using the 90D camera. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Okay, so this is how it comes with. All the packaging is right here. Got the warranty, the booklet, instruction manuals. We have the camera strap here, the battery charging pack, the battery itself, and then let's go under here. Okay, so let me see what this one is. Okay, so this is the lens. It's pretty heavy. So here's the lens right here. Let's put this back in here. And then this is the body of the camera. So here's everything that comes in the box. So we got this lens right here. Let me focus in really quick. It's the Canon 18 through 135 millimeter lens, and then here's the body of the camera. And then the screen flips out as well. And this is how the charging port looks like, and the battery. And here's the strap. And has like some buttons right here. Okay. So here is the mic. As you can see, and then this is the mic cord that you put into the camera into this. And this must be the mounting plate right here. Nope. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is the cord. What is this? Oh, they're both cords, maybe different size adapters for it. And then I think the mounting plate, oh, here it goes. Yeah, so there's the mounting plate right there. And this is just the screen. Alright, so to put this on, you have to unscrew this part and then slide it in here. Alright, so I put it on, so all I have to do is screw it down and make it tight. It'll be nice and snug. So this is how it looks like. Pretty cool. Alright. It opens up like this. And this is how it looks like with the lens on the camera. Pretty cool. And also you could flip this LCD and have it this way as well. Well, there you have it. So here's the unboxing of the 90D camera. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will answer any questions that you guys have. Alright, well, thank you for watching. This is your boy Rockeye, and I'm out.